infiltrate the water has really swallowed heaven and earth. I, for one, I have nothing further to boast about. All has been swallowed by the flood.
The water now affects my house. My load, there is water. I don't get where to go. So may government come help us. We need help.
Then they suffer us with this water. We will not even see anything. They'll carry the whole thing now, carry the keep politicians. They go back and say we not go even see one thing to eat. Nothing.
When he reach now, I mean they suffer. But when he reach the money, the people they up, where they enjoy, when they suffer, now he go collect the money shop.
Me, I'm speechless. I'm really speechless. The water is too much. As you can see our environment, we are suffering. We are suffering. We need solution, no. We need solution, no.
My fears, my worries are the prisoners, people that are in cell, nothing more than. Then those people that don't have gas, they don't have stove, where will they cook? Where will they get firewood from?
Those who are not affected, please should come to the aid of those who are affected. If you can help one person, please come and help somebody.
All the people living here have been rendered homeless. They don't have any other place to stay. And it's a problem. This flood is indeed a very big problem to people living within the Bayelsa and Niger Delta area. Because there is no time that this flood will come, that these persons will not be affected.